So this is the second video on gradients. This is the second video on gradients. We are talking about making gradient texts. Gradient, what's it called? Gradient text. Yeah. So what I will do now is I want to create my own gradient myself. There are two ways to do it, and whichever way you use, you are going to get equal results if you do it right. So I can use shape to form my gradient. See, I want to use shape like this. I want to use shape like this to form my gradient. Say something like I want to enlarge this. See, I can enlarge this like this here. So I'll just like give one this. Maybe I'll give it a yellow color. Then I'll duplicate it. I'll send it forward. I'll enlarge. Then I'll send back. I'll just adjust so that everything will be filled. Then I can use something like green. Then I'll send it to the back. Right, so I can use another shade of color. Say I want to duplicate this one again. I want to use another shade of yellow, a lighter shade of yellow. I want to use a lighter shade of yellow now. Yeah, that's what I want to do. A lighter shade of yellow. Say I came here and reduce the yellow, then send it to the back. I'll send it to the back again. Then I want to use a lighter shade of green. I'll duplicate it. Then I'll send it forward. Then I'll enlarge it. Then I'll go to color. I'll pick a lighter shade. Yeah. So I'll send it to the back. You see. So I want to use a further lighter shade of yellow. I'll just like go to color, then go lighter, then send it to the back, position to back. Then I'll duplicate this again. I will give a lighter shade, right? So I'll send it to the back again. So it depends on the kind of what's it called that you want to make, the kind of pattern that you want to make. So this is just like, so I can leave it like that. You can assume that the yellow later finish into white. So you can leave it like that. Then we can export like this. You can export like this. You can only like that. Then go to PixelLab and change the pattern. You can go to PixelLab to like change the texture. Yeah, texture. So just launch your PixelLab again, and you click on this tool. You'll be able to swipe. Then you swipe, click on texture. You can delete the one that you have there. Okay, we have not saved this. You can save this as image. So you can save it as PNG, then save to gallery. So when you save like that, you can import to Canva and remove the background on Canva. So you have your design. So you want to change the gradient. So I can change the gradient by going to the same way that we used to like make the first gradient. Now I can reduce the size of the area I want to use as gradient. I want to use this area, and I click on OK. So this is gradients. So I can enable this ratio. Yeah, so I can do all this. So this is gradients, and this is gradients. So we can download again. You can download, save as image, PNG, save to gallery. Then the next thing you can do is you can another method you can use is by adding what's it called, you don't want it to, actually it's not going to show, but in case you don't want it to, sorry, I think Canva has this issue of closing itself when you use another app. That is what is happening right now. So you can add more effects by going to elements, search for transparent to fade, pick one of the transparent to fade elements, the one you can change its color. I think this one's color cannot be changed. So I'm looking for something suitable. Let's see, you can do a lot of things. You can, okay, let's say we want to choose this. Yeah. So you want to like make it fade into this. So you just like use this. So you want to use this, something like this. You can make it however you want. However you want to make it, you can make it. So it all depends on you. How you want to make it. You can decide to like add something like this to your design. You can just add something like this. Like anyhow it's going to like, you are going to like do it that to just make perfect sense. Just go ahead and do it like that. So it doesn't mean that you have to follow exact way I used to make it. You can add objects, you can add anything, you can add objects like this. Yes, and you'll be able to make, like, you're able to clip it into your text. So that's just it. That's just how to make gradient text with Canva and Pixel Lab.